Hi, honey. Thought you were holding your rattle. What are you doing there? Charlie, stop. Can you hold this? I'm gonna hold it with that hand. You're silly. You're silly. Hi. You're just laying next to Mommy's computer, huh? Charlie's trying to talk too. He's being a naughty boy, isn't he? Charlie's a naughty boy. He's a naughty boy, isn't he? Yeah. Charlie, come here. You're so silly. Are you silly? Are you silly? I think you are. You're working hard on those hands. Do they taste good? Do those hands taste good? Goo? I like the ladybugs on your shirt. Those are pretty. What do you think? Can you shake your rattle around a little bit? Huh? Can you show us? Usually you get crazy with that thing, smacking yourself in the head, and then you get confused. You don't know who did it, huh? Go ahead. You're doing a great job. Yeah. What are you thinking about? Okay, I guess that's the end of our video. Can you say bye-bye?